In this video, I'm showing you how to use Snapchat for beginners. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button, and once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. So I'm showing you a full guide of how to use the Snapchat app, and I cover sort of all the common questions and basically how to go and use it. And a quick note, this is going to work on any device, regardless if you're on an Android or an iPhone. So guys, let's go and get straight into this tutorial. So let's go and open up our app store, and all you want to do is simply go and search for Snapchat. Now I probably know you probably already have it, but I want to quickly just run through the full steps. So come to Snapchat and then go and download it and open it up. As you can see, there is an update available. Now I'm going to go and open up Snapchat. So as you can see, here we go. I've got one account already here, but I'm assuming you're going to go and need to sign up. So come to the bottom left, wherever the sign up button is, click on it, and you have to enter your first and last name. You'll create a username, which you must be happy with because you cannot change your username, remember that. And you have to enter an email and a password. The key thing is make sure you're happy with your username. Then once you have gone and created an account, let's go and log in. So I'm going to go and log in my example account right now, and here we go. So I want to run through everything about Snapchat and how to fully use it. So let's go and start with this. So the first thing you want to do is swipe or click on the message button in the bottom left on the bottom bar. Here's going to be all your chats and snaps people send you. On the far left, you've got maps. Now this is Snap Maps. You can go and share your location with other people, and you can go and look at other people's. And then let's go back to that bottom bar again, and to the right of the camera icon, we've got the people icon. Now this is stories, so other people who shared their stories on there, like say posting a picture, and then we can upload it to stories for our friends to see. Obviously you can't do that as well, but you can go and check out other people's. And then on the far right on the bottom navigation bar, we have got Snapchat Spotlight, which is sort of just clips you can go and look at. So yeah, it's really cool. Now the next thing I want to show you is how to add friends. To do that, all you want to do is go to the top left where you've got your little picture, and then you can go to friends and click add friends. So click here, and you can go and find friends. And also within friends, once you've got a few, you can actually go and use something called quick add within Snapchat. And this is going to allow you to basically, Snapchat brings people who it thinks you may know, and who are your friends with your other friends, and then you can go and add them if you know them. So that's really cool. And then you can go and see your Bitmoji, which you can change, and you've got a few other sort of useful things as well. In the top right, you have got the settings as well. So now let's go and show you how to go and sort of take a picture and how to edit it. So currently I've just got my hand of my camera as I'm just recording this, but let's go and take a snap by clicking in the circle, but you have got your filters, so click on the smiley icon here to the right of the picture icon, and then you can go and check out all the filters here, which are really cool, and there's some really cool ones which you can go and use. But for now I want to go and keep it simple. So as you can see here, it says tap to take a photo or hold to take a video. I'm going to tap, and there is a picture. Then on the right hand side, we've got text, we've got paint, we've got stickers, we've got cut, we've got music, we've got attachments, we've got crop, and we have got timer. So honestly, you can use all of these. So you click on text and you could go and say type hey, and you've got all of these different sort of effects you can add to text, which are cool. I'm going to keep with the simple sort of bar. And then you've got the paint tool as well, so you can draw, and you can change the brush size by squeezing it like so, and you can make it bigger. So yeah, that's cool. And then you can go and add links, add music, and then if you want to add it to your story, come to the bottom left and you click add to story, or you can go and save it to your Snapchat memories, and that's going to be like sort of an archive of all your memories that you saved. Or you can go and click send to, and as you can see, saving in chat, just click OK. And then you can go and send it to your friends. I haven't got any on this account, so I'm going to go and just send it to myself like so. And then as you can see in my chat, it then appears that I've had a snap from myself, and you can go and open it up, and there it is. And then you can go and reply by clicking send this chat. I can go and put hey, and then it's going to go and send it back. And there we go guys, that is a basic rundown of Snapchat. If you found this video useful, please go and leave a subscription, and if you've got any questions, put them down below and I'll try my best to answer them for you. Have an awesome day, peace.